Yes, definitely. She is very generous and she pays close attention to detail. So if you're not feeling well, she will notice. Like, small changes and she will take note. And I really appreciate that about her. But also, she's big on self development. Like, you never stop learning. There's always an opportunity to learn something new. So there's always a new course. If you finish something, she'll ask you, so what's the next course to study? So when you for developmental purposes, after you finish the course, there's no resting. There's another one coming. And also she's very big on sharpening your skills. Like, don't get relaxed because also technology evolves all the time and you need to keep up with the industry. And if there are new things, she's very big on, you need to share. If there's something new that you feel like the rest of the team isn't really aware of, it's very important for us to, like, sort of like breach the gap so that we're on the same page, because they're on in Joburg and we're here in Cape Town. So we're constantly communicating. We constantly leveling up. And also, the other thing is that I've learned, you have to be big on consistency. So if you do nothing, nothing changes. If you don't change anything, so nothing will change. So, yeah.